Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today, we're diving into a word that describes a state of utter disarray and confusion: chaos. Chaos is a C1 level noun that means complete disorder and confusion. It's that feeling you get when everything seems to be going wrong at once, a state of utter lack of control. Think of a crowded marketplace with vendors shouting, goods scattered everywhere, and people bumping into each other. That's chaos. In everyday language, chaos is often used to describe situations where there is a lack of order, control, or predictability. Now, let's explore some synonyms for chaos. A good synonym is disorder. For example, the sudden power outage threw the city into complete disorder. Another synonym is turmoil. You might say, the country was in political turmoil after the election. We can also use the word anarchy. The prison riot resulted in anarchy as the inmates seized control. Then there's pandemonium. The concert ended in pandemonium when the band announced a surprise performance. Finally, consider mayhem. The office was in utter mayhem after the April Fool's prank went too far. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms for chaos. The opposite of chaos is order. For example, after weeks of chaos, the city finally returned to order. Another antonym is peace. You could say, the mediator helped bring peace to the previously chaotic negotiations. We can also use the word calm. The sea was remarkably calm after the storm, a stark contrast to the chaos of the previous night. Consider also the word harmony. The orchestra achieved perfect harmony, a welcome departure from the chaos of the rehearsal. And finally, let's consider the word tranquility. She found tranquility in the garden, a peaceful escape from the chaos of her daily life. So how can you use chaos in your everyday life? Well, you can describe a messy room as being in chaos. You could say, my teenager's bedroom is always in a state of chaos. You can use it to describe a busy office environment. The office becomes chaos during the end of the fiscal year. You might even use it to describe your feelings after a particularly stressful day. My mind felt like complete chaos after the long meeting. Here are some more examples of chaos in sentences and phrases. The stock market crash created financial chaos. The sudden announcement caused chaos in the classroom. The project was delayed due to bureaucratic chaos. The streets were filled with chaos during the protest. He thrived in the chaos of the newsroom. She brought a sense of chaos to the otherwise boring party. Trying to organize the event felt like wading through chaos. The team worked tirelessly to bring order out of the chaos. The unexpected snowstorm caused travel chaos across the region. The website redesign descended into chaos as developers struggled to meet the deadline. Despite the apparent chaos, she knew exactly what she was doing. After the earthquake, the city descended into chaos. The general tried to introduce order into the chaos of battle. His life was a constant state of chaos until he started meditating. The political chaos made it difficult to predict the future. The children created a scene of utter chaos in the kitchen. She felt overwhelmed by the chaos surrounding her. The new policy only added to the chaos. He attempted to navigate the chaos with a sense of calm. The system collapsed under the weight of the accumulated chaos. So, to recap, chaos means complete disorder and confusion. Some synonyms are disorder, turmoil, anarchy, pandemonium, and mayhem. Antonyms include order, peace, calm, harmony, and tranquility. You can use chaos to describe messy rooms, busy environments, and even your own feelings. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word chaos and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep saying hello word.